In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use keyboard shortcuts in TradingView so you can move around your charts faster, draw more efficiently, and streamline your entire analysis process. If you want to work smarter and speed up your workflow, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to find the built-in shortcut reference inside TradingView and how to start using it right away. First, open your browser and go to TradingView.com. If you land on the homepage or your watch list, that's perfectly fine. What we need is a full chart view, because that's where keyboard shortcuts become most useful and where the majority of tools are available. To do that, click on a stock from your watch list or use the search bar to type in any ticker symbol you want to analyze. Then choose the option that opens the full featured chart. Once the chart loads, you'll see the main workspace with the price chart in the center and toolbars around the edges. This is where keyboard shortcuts make the biggest difference, especially when you're switching time frames, zooming in and out, navigating left and right, or using drawing tools like trend lines and Fibonacci retracements. Now, to find the complete list of shortcuts, look at the top left corner of the chart and click on your profile icon. This opens a menu with several platform options related to your account and chart settings. From this menu, select Keyboard Shortcuts. As soon as you click it, a panel or overlay will appear showing a categorized list of hotkeys. The shortcuts are usually organized into sections such as chart navigation, zooming and scaling, managing drawings, adding indicators, and changing time intervals. Think of this panel as your quick reference guide. Instead of searching through menus every time you want to perform an action, you can simply press the assigned key and execute the command instantly. As you review the list, focus on the shortcuts that match your trading style. If you frequently draw trend lines or mark support and resistance, concentrate on the drawing and editing shortcuts. If you often compare higher and lower time frames, pay attention to the interval and time frame shortcuts. The key is not to memorize everything at once, but to pick a few that fit your workflow and practice them until they become second nature. If you're using a smaller screen, you may need to scroll through the Shortcuts panel to see all categories. And if you're on a non-US keyboard layout, some key labels might look slightly different. So rely on the shortcut list shown inside TradingView as your main reference. And that's it. Simply go to TradingView.com, open a full chart, click your profile icon in the top left corner, and select Keyboard Shortcuts. Keep that panel open while you practice, and you'll quickly notice that your charting becomes faster, cleaner, and more efficient.